Instant. It's a word that defines the world today. A world that moves fast. A world where you move fast to keep up with the world. And likewise, you expect the world to keep up with you. Things happen in an instant, so you want things in an instant. You expect things in an instant. You demand things in an instant. Your Wi-Fi connection, your salted caramel mocha, your green light, your customer service representative.
Anticipate a wait of up to 1 hour.
Instant messages, instant responses, instant results, instant satisfaction. Because like it or not, instant is the speed of now. So every day you get up and go. You're fresh, you're energized, you're wide awake, and you charge full speed ahead. You make it happen. You get it done. You've got this. Sun up to sundown, day after day. Instant after instant after instant. But as they say, at the end of the day, something has happened. Let's be honest. Fresh becomes fatigued. Energized becomes exhausted. Wide awake becomes wiped out. And when you look in the mirror, you might not see your best. You might not be your best. You might not even feel your best. But today, in the world of instant, you can still look your best. That's because today, Jeunesse, the world leaders in groundbreaking youth enhancement technology, have done it again. Introducing a remarkable new anti-wrinkle microcream that turns back the clock and visibly removes the signs of fatigue and aging in an instant.
Let's see a live demo on how quickly Instantly Ageless can work. Okay, I'm going to start a timer.
You haven't seen anything yet. How long has it been?
What do you see? What do you think, Jeunesse family? Okay, that's 1 minute,
Thanks to a
6
powerful
seconds.
ingredient that permeates the skin immediately, erasing fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles under tired eyes. In an instant, the delicate eye area is retexturized. The visibility of pores and wrinkles is minimized. The quality of your skin is optimized. And you are revitalized. Be you. Be flawless. Be ageless. In an instant. Instantly Ageless. Exclusive to Jeunesse.